Thank you for coming around again. You're welcome to my channel. So today's video will be doing a plaster finish that is patterned. So you start with patterning it and make sure the patterns are going towards one direction, as you can see. So there are master strokes and there are minor strokes. The minor strokes are the tiny strokes and the master strokes are the ones that are bulky. So try to balance them.
Now maybe it's the chemistry, it's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's
Meanwhile, this is a dragging brush I used for the design. I got it from the Riverdale brand. So it's time to knock down. You let it dry a little. It's not going to be hard dry. Then you knock down the pattern so that the bristles of the design will not be showing. You need the knock down for the surface to be smooth.
like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal.
After the first knockdown, you let it hard dry. Then you give it a second knockdown. This second knockdown comes immediately the putty is dried. Make sure it's very much hard dried. So I'm giving it another pattern. I'm giving it a bliss pattern. This one is optional if you want it this way. If you don't want it like this, you can still leave it with the first pattern that I gave it. Then you abrade once it's dried. After abrading, I primed. But before priming, I tinted the primer, as you can see. I tinted it with a light blue. I tinted it with a blue tint to give it that light blue shade.
You will never see me crack, and if you get in my way, you're gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say it to my face while he's looking back. Mirror break.
This is a metallic luster paint. You use it as a foundation coat. I gave it a 2 coat. This is a base coat. It comes before the actual color that you want to be using for the design. So once we are done, it's time for
when I feel like this, I'm immortal. Don't stop, stepping up.
For the antique, we are doing a blue antique and a black antique. This is time for the black antique. Make sure you rub it off so you do not stain the design. So once I'm done with the antique, I blend it out. This is what we have, and then it's time to use a darker shade of blue inside the bliss pattern that I did. This blue serves as a highlighter. So this is what we have. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel if you watched it to the end. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and do not forget to drop your comments if you have questions. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.